Elephant. Meet the gentle giant with feelings as deep as the ocean. They roam the vast savannas under the scorching African sun. Did you know? They can actually recognize themselves in mirrors. Elephants never forget. Their memory is truly legendary. Leon. Here is the jungle king whose aura shakes everyone. The golden grasslands are the palace where they rule. One roar can be heard from 8 kilometers away. Female lions are the ultimate hardworking hunters. Dolphin, the ocean's genius who always finds a way to smile. They dance behind blue waves full of mystery. They call each other using unique names, just like humans. These animals sleep with only one eye open. Tiger, the toughest big cat with iconic, bold stripes. Dense jungles are the perfect hiding spot for this predator. No two tigers have the exact same stripe pattern. Unlike most cats, tigers actually love to swim. Giraffe. This tall creature looks like it could touch the clouds. They stand tall among the high trees of Africa. Their tongues are dark blue and incredibly long. Giraffes only need 30 minutes of sleep per day. Penguin. Adorable birds that choose swimming over flying. Frozen Antarctica is their most extreme playground. They propose to their partners with a beautiful pebble. Penguins can slide across the ice on their bellies. Koala, the Australian icon whose only hobby is relaxing all day. Eucalyptus trees are the coziest homes for them. Their fingerprints are almost identical to human fingerprints. They spend 20 hours a day just sleeping. Panda, a living teddy bear that loves bamboo more than anything. China's misty mountains are where they reside. Pandas have an extra thumb to hold bamboo stalks. They can eat up to 12 kilograms of bamboo daily. Wolf, loyal hunters who deeply value the meaning of family. The cold, wild forests is their territory. Their howl is the most magical communication in nature. A wolf can travel long distances without getting tired. Seahorse, magical little creatures dancing under the sea. Coral reefs are their colorful, vibrant palaces. In their world, the males actually give birth. Seahorses have no stomachs, so they eat constantly. Owl, the night watchman with an incredibly sharp gaze. They hide within the darkness of old forests. Their heads can rotate up to 270 degrees. This bird flies completely silent while hunting. Gorilla. Intelligent giants with very soft hearts. Tropical rainforests are their final sanctuaries. They build a new leaf bed every single night. Gorillas share nearly 98% of human DNA. Kangaroo. Expert jumpers carrying magic inside their pouches. They ruled the wild outback of Australia. Kangaroos use their tails as a fifth leg for balance. These animals cannot walk backwards at all. Octopus. Escape artists from the very mysterious deep sea. Rock crevices on the ocean floor are their homes. They have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses can mimic the texture and color of objects. Cheetah. The fastest running machine ever created by nature. The open plains are the predator's racing track. They can hit top speed in just 3 seconds. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs cannot roar. Turtle. Patient travelers carrying their homes wherever they go. They explore beaches to the endless oceans. Some turtle species can live over 100 years. Their shells are actually part of their spine. Orangutan, the forest man with extraordinary intelligence. They swing among the forest canopies of Borneo. They can use simple tools to find food. Their arm span is much longer than their height. Polar bear, the ice king who looks white but hides secrets. The freezing Arctic is the hunter's kingdom. Their skin is actually black under the white fur. They are great swimmers who can travel hundreds of miles. Hippo. Though they look calm, they are extremely tough animals. African rivers are where they soak all day long. Their sweat is red and acts as a They can close their nostrils while diving underwater. Chameleon, the most skilled camouflage master in the animal world. They hide among the lush tree branches. Their eyes can look in 2 different directions. A chameleon's tongue can stretch twice its body length. Komodo dragon, the last ancient dragon still inhabiting our Earth. Exotic islands in Indonesia are their original home. They can detect prey from several kilometers away. Their saliva contains very dangerous, deadly bacteria. Fox, a cunning animal full of charm and curiosity. They adapt from forests to urban environments. Foxes use Earth's magnetic field to hunt prey. Fox sounds are diverse, sounding like human laughter. Otter, the most cheerful animal that loves playing in water. They inhabit clean rivers and rocky coastal shores. They hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting away. Otters have a secret skin pocket to store rocks. Meerkat, the tiny one always alert, watching over friends. The arid Kalahari Desert is where they survive. They use their tails to stand upright like tripods. One group member always acts as a security guard.